It's been a minute since I talked to y'all, so let's do my lashes over story time. So the state of Alabama has been in the news a lot lately for their stance on IVF. However, I just want to point out, to me personally, how I realized that this is such a patriarchal state. I had my son in June of 2023. Named him after my dad. He has my dad's middle name, and I give him my last name because I'm the last one to carry my last name. My grandparents only had 5 kids. Only one of them was a boy. That was my dad. And my dad only had 1 kid. So after me, my last name dies. You know, I thought it would be cool for my kid to carry on my last name. My dad passed when I was 19, so you know, he can carry on that legacy. So y'all know I said my son was born June 2023. He's got passports, bank accounts, the whole 9, right? At the time, my child's father was not on his birth certificate per his choice. So fast forward to October. Y'all, why did the judge make me change my baby's whole last name? And there's nothing I can do about it. You mean to tell me in 2023, all of these babies being born out of wedlock, and the baby that I carried and delivered myself, I have no control over what his name is? It's literally nuts to me. That this is how the state operates, and that as a mother, as a sole provider, as everything, I have no rights to what my child's name is after I've already named him. I'm sorry. It's absolutely nuts to me.